In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a Google form into a self-grading quiz. By the end, you'll know how to enable quiz mode, add questions, set correct answers with points, and preview exactly what your participants will see. Start by opening the Google form you want to convert. If you're starting from an existing survey or form, that's perfectly fine. Everything you've already added can be used in a quiz. Just make sure the form loads fully before making changes. Google Forms autosaves, so you won't lose your work. Next, head to the Settings tab at the top. In there, look for the Quizzes section. This is where the grading features live. Turn on Make this a quiz. As soon as you enable this, you'll notice new options appear throughout your form, including the ability to set an answer key and assign points. This switch is what transforms a regular form into an auto-graded quiz. Now, add a question using the plus icon on the right sidebar. Type your question clearly and choose the format that fits best. Multiple choice for one correct answer, check boxes when more than one answer can be correct, or a drop-down if you want a compact list of choices. Write concise answer options, and avoid overlapping choices so your learners know exactly what to pick. With your question ready, click Answer Key. This mode lets you select the correct answer or answers. Simply click the choice or choices that are right, then assign a point value. Pick a consistent point scale that matches the difficulty of your questions, so your overall score makes sense. If you ever make a mistake, you can return to the answer key at any time to update it. When you're satisfied, click Done to exit the answer key and save the question. Your changes are saved automatically, but Done confirms you're back in editing mode. Repeat the process for the rest of your questions. Add each one, choose the most suitable question type, open the answer key, select the correct response, and set the points. Keeping a rhythm like this helps you build out the quiz quickly and consistently. Finally, preview your quiz. Click the eye icon in the top right to see exactly what respondents will experience. Use this view to check that questions display correctly, options look clear, and your selected answers and points behave as expected. If anything seems off, close the preview and make quick adjustments. And that's it. You've turned your Google form into a polished, auto-graded quiz that's ready to share.